Colditz Castle has a checkered history, but it is best known today as a prisoner of war camp for Allied officers between 1939 and 1945. The prisoners made more than 300 attempts to escape. Some of these were strokes of genius, but most of those who escaped were caught eventually. The Escape Museum tells some of these captivating stories. Nothing fascinates more than the story behind the Colditz Glider. Behind a false wall in the attic, two pilots assembled a two-seater using stolen pieces of wood, floorboards, bed springs, electric wires, and, for the skin, sleeping bags starched with cooked millet. But the plane never took off, since the camp was freed by the Americans. In the year 2000, a replica successfully made a flight, proving that the daring plan would have worked.